Alright, we have our weekend league pack opening. Nothing too fancy. I think I got, what was it, All-Star? I just got this for doing weekly or daily stuff, so I'll just pull this first. Nothing special. We're looking for some high overall stuff. Oh, Super Bowl could be high. 82, no. Okay. Decent gridiron pack. Nothing special. Hail Marys. Don't expect anything. I'll take a low overall lead from these. Hey, 81 out of a Hail Mary is perfectly fine with me. It's better than what we could have gotten. Ultimate Legend piece out of a Hail Mary. That's what I like to see right there. That is a W pack. Okay, midfield. Now, there has been some golden ticket pulls out of midfield packs, so we could get very lucky here. Let's hope so, because I am low on funds. Man, we got better stuff from the other pack. Come on, don't disappoint me here. You know, we're pulling the packs, we're not taking the quick sells, because that's not how we do. You know, if you're smart, you should take the quick sells, because you can get crap like that, but... Let's see what we get in our red zone pack here. Legend piece, not good. Not good. It's not... that's just not what we're looking for. We totally could have made profit if we used the quick sell there, which is what you should do. Always do the quick sell. This will be my first video on my YouTube channel. I'll mostly be doing stream highlights or maybe small pack openings here and there, so make sure to subscribe and follow the stream. The link will be in the description. Wow, back-to-back frozen pack. Okay, not great. Alright, now we have this one touchdown pack. Hopefully we get something good here. Possibly a golden ticket. Possibly a high 90. I'll take a high 90. It's not golden ticket or bust for me, but 90 overall, it's kind of decent. Draft player could be good. And last one. You know what? 90 isn't terrible. We probably lost profit on that, but you know what? It's okay. Let me open some gold player packs here. See if we just yank out a golden ticket or something, you know, possibly. Could get something, you know, you never know. I've pulled many packs, haven't really gotten anything gigantic. The most expensive card I think was 92 overall fullback Redux. So if I could get, you know, full Ultimate Legend is fine. Golden ticket would be my first choice, obviously. It doesn't matter which golden ticket. It could be the Eagles cornerback. We're just getting some gold so far. Lamar Jackson. I would take a 98 Redux Lamar Jackson. Not the animation we'd like to see. Probably the worst animation in the game. What is this? Okay. 91 DeAndre Hopkins. I haven't pulled him before. That was an interesting pack animation. Ultimate kickoff DeAndre Hopkins. I wonder if he goes for anything. That was a decent pull. I would take that pull. Of course, unless he goes for but nothing, then I don't know about that pull, but I think he'll go for a pretty decent amount. And 85, Laney Collins. Okay. Well, let me just go over what kind of pulls we got here. So that was our best pull. Okay. Just gonna glitch out on me, Madden. There you go. Okay. So let's see how much he goes for. 40k. See, yeah, that is not a great pull. Never mind. Okay. And then next highest be this 90. There it goes for nothing. Yeah, that's what I expected. Market's pretty crappy right now. But then next highest thing was that ultimate legend piece, right? Oh, we got that. Let's just quick sell this real quick. Where's that ultimate legend piece at? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Yeah, Bruce Smith. I mean, he's the new one, but yeah, he's going for nothing. Well, that's gonna be the video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Go to my Twitch. I'll be streaming a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching.